Okay, hello everyone. So today now let's look at our question 45. So how many four-digit numbers are there that sum of digits equals to 9? Okay, so firstly, maybe you think this one is talking about number theory because we know the number can exactly divide by 9, which means all the sum of the digit should be 9. But remember one thing, it can not only be 9 but also be 18, 27, 99, like that. It can also be exactly divided by 9. So, which means you use this kind of method, you should list all the things. It's very hard for you to calculate. But now, yeah, actually this one is a kind of combination problem. So we find how many numbers how many choice we can put on the thousandth digit, hundredth digit, tenth digit, and one digit, and then to count how many choice, how many different ways. So firstly, yeah, we assume because all the sum of digits equals to 9. So which means we can assume we have 9 balls here, and each ball means 1, okay? So I want to put these 9 balls into these 4 boxes. So these 4 boxes is actually 1000th digit, 100th digit, 10th digit, and 1st digit. So how can I put this? Maybe use the board method, and I can put 1, 2, and 3 board to make these 9 balls separate into 4 parts, and each part put inside the box, right? Put inside the box. But remember one thing. So if I want to separate these 9 balls, and I can put the board in the interval, so I separate into 4 parts, and I can make sure each box at least have 1 ball, right? But remember, why not this 100th, 10th, 1st digit be 0? There is no balls inside the box. Of course, 1000th digit cannot be 0, right? Because it's a kind of 4-digit number. So what should I do? Yeah, maybe you think, okay, so it's very easy for us to make sure that each box at least have 1 ball, right? So how can I do that makes the box at least have 1 ball and use the same method to calculate how many ways? So we can borrow 3 balls. So you just think these 3 balls I borrow from others and I can put inside this box. And if after I count how many ways I can put these balls, and if, for example, if 100th digit and 10th digit only have 1 ball, so you remember to pick your borrowed balls out of the boxes. So here is the method. You just think these 3 balls is just the fake balls. So yeah, now let's count how many balls do we have. Yeah, we have 12 balls, which means we have 11 intervals. So 11 intervals, I want to separate into 4 parts. I should put 3 balls inside between these 12 balls. So 11 intervals, we should choose 11. Yeah, choose 3 interval from the 11 intervals. So which means use the combination number. So 11 from 11 choose 3. The answer is 165. And after you do this, you can, if we have only 1, you just pick this fake ball outside the box. Okay, so here is the method. Here is the question 45. It's a kind of combination problem. And remember how we can use the board method. It's just we should make sure at least each one place have 1 number. But if I want this place can have 0 number, remember you can borrow something out. And for example, in this question, you can borrow 3 balls outside. Okay.